So today I am going to answer how to mention your language. Let's start. So before we continue, there is a small disclaimer for this small chapter. Please read it fast and then we will continue. Was sprechen Sie? That means, what do you speak? And as I told you last time, that in German you have these two form of you. So for respectful people or the elderly people or in formal relationships, use Sie. So here is the common expression, was sprechen Sie? That means, which language do you speak or what do you speak? So the answer is Deutsch. Was sprichst du? And this is the informal form of the language. So, was sprichst du is something that you are going to say to either your colleague or any kid or so. So, the answer is Hindi und ein bisschen Deutsch. Then you can clarify a bit. Hindi ist meine Muttersprache. That means Hindi is my mother tongue. Ich spreche sehr gut Englisch und ein bisschen Deutsch. So I speak very good English and a bit German. Now, what are the different languages? So, Arab language is Arabisch, German is Deutsch, English is English, French is Französisch, Italian is Italianisch, Russian is Russisch, Turkish is Turkish, and the language for Ukraine is Ukrainish, and Vietnamese is Vietnamese. That's all for today. Bye bye.